Yep, there's the red dot.
Yes. Beautiful, mate. Right, now let's talk.
So I'll need to do the other side, so we'll...
Alright, I'll turn to the centre now. We did an impossible turn on Sunday, and we're like half a stride from the jump. And I was thinking we're never going to make it, but we clunked something, and I thought we brought it down, so it doesn't matter anyway, and we just took it.
Good.
To the end, we were clear and 4 seconds faster than number 2 placing.
Great.
He's a little star. We did it in 29 seconds.
And what's the average?
Oh, it's such a jump, I can't really tell, but second place was 33. See, it doesn't feel quite right to me here.
I'm not looking at him. Shall I stop this now?
It's just a bit of a canter. I'm just going to take him over one jump, so get him over the jump.
Big jump or little jump?
I'll take the middle jump.
I can't tell if you're in there. Well, I got you in there.
See how he doesn't have to go for the other one?
Yeah. So I'll stop him now?
Yep.